I almost forgot to make this video. It's hard to believe it's the last day of my 30+ day trip to Botswana in Southern Africa on a string of workshops that we've been conducting all this time. We're right now, everyone's in the rooms, they're packing up. We're gonna go eat lunch in a little bit at the main lodge, then we're gonna head to the airstrip and fly out of here just early in the afternoon, get back to Johannesburg, and at that point, everybody kind of flies their own ways. You know, and I tell people all the time, if you do these trips right, the last day kind of seems like the last day of summer camp, that you're ready to go home, but you're kind of sad it's over. And I think that's the attitude that reflects everybody here. We've had a phenomenal week. Just this morning, we go out and we photograph, on just about a 2.5-hour trip. We photograph breeding ostriches, a big dark male lion, two young male lions and a female lion up on the rocks. It's a brother, it's a sister and two brothers, hyenas, just all kinds of stuff. And every single day was like that. I mean, we'd go out, we'd cast out in the morning thinking, how could it be better today? And somehow every day ends up being better. On this particular leg of the trip, this Botswana Journey to the Wild workshop, we photographed, had a 3-cat day one day, photographed lions, cheetahs, and leopards all on the same day, and good photographs of them. I'm not talking about, you see them half a mile away and you take a picture. I'm talking about really close encounters with all of these animals, seeing them in their natural habitat, seeing them doing their natural thing. And it's just phenomenal. I can't think enough superlatives. And really the icing on the cake, I had someone tell me last night when we were having dinner, I had a big, beautiful spread of a dinner last night under the stars near some baobab trees, and had one of the guests and the other ones agreed, best trip I've ever been on. And I'm not going to say take all the credit for that, because when you bring people to remarkable places, remarkable things happen. And that's what the aim is of these Africa workshops that I do. The really the last leg of business again is just to get to there, eat lunch, get to the airport today, head out. But we got here a week ago on this particular leg of the trip, and just as soon as we get into camp, they give you an orientation, get you to your room, get you packed up, then you're get refreshments, then you're off for safari. Elephants, giraffes, zebras, all the plains game species you can think about. As I'm looking right now, there's a couple of bush bucks walking through the yard, as well as some spurfowl, and earlier there's some warthogs over here. Just all kinds of animals. If Africa's ever been on your bucket list, I suggest Botswana. It's absolutely the best country. Hospitality's off the chart. And this particular trip here, we were able to come away with just some remarkable photos. I hope you'll stay till the end of the video, so you can see some more pictures I took of this. But in the meantime, if you need anything, let me know. Thanks for being along with me on this African journey this year, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.